Today in this video I will show you how to create a main document, how to create a data source with the help of Mailmarch. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, I will open Windows Word, Office Word. How to open Microsoft R, you need to press. After that you need to type WinWord. After that open the Word. After that take a blank document. After that go to the mailing tab. You will find start mail merge and select recipient. First I need to start a mail merge. I need to create some contacts. Okay, so step by step process you have to go. First I need to create a letter wise. Next, starting a document. Use the current document. Okay, select the recipient, type a new list, create. Now I just want to create a data source having rows and columns with information of the friends or relative, whatever you have, employees, whatever. Now you create. Now you will write Mr. Ram. Address home number you can write 0. What phone number? Email ID. Like this you will fill another entry. Now create another entry. like this. After creating, you have to do okay. I have entered three names. After that, you need to save with contact. I have saved many contact, so now right now I'll save with contact. You can see here the extension of mailmerge is amdb, that is mail database. Contact contact underscore 5, and after that it will save in this path. Okay, you can go through, it will save in this part, or whatever. If you want, you can save it wherever you want. uh, I'm just saving inside the ABCD, and inside that ABCD I'm saving in document. This is my data source, where you can see. Now this is full path. Now save. After saving, you will get to see the three names that I have put on my contact underscore 5 dot mdb. This is Ram, Avik, Sudeshna. Okay. After that, we will work on it. After that, okay. We'll do okay. Now, write your letter. Now, what you need to do next, write your letter. What you need to do, preview your letter, nothing is there. So, first of all, you need to, while creating a letter, you need something like inserting title. After that, inserting first name, inserting last name, company, address, address line, city, state, or zip code, whatever you want, state, country, home, phone numbers, all these, email ID. So these are the things I will want to put in my letter. So first of all, I need to, what I need to do after that, I need to give a gap in between, so that it will create in a proper way. थोड़ा gap देना है in between. Okay. After that, what you need to do, uh, you go to this field, greeting line. Dear Mr. Saha, whatever you want, you can write. Okay. Dear Madam, like this, with the first console. Okay. If you do okay, it will come here as a greeting line. After that, I don't have right now time to type, so I just wanted this. I will use these features, random 3 comma 4. It will give you a sentence. Okay, it will give you a sentence. Now enter. If I press, then it will give you a sentence, you can see here. And after that, use faithfully, whatever you want. Use faithfully. Okay, LLY, faithfully. After that, you can write your name, whatever is there, you can write your name. I'm just doing a dot. After that, if you want to see the preview, then all the things will be changed with the name, address, company, home, phone number, like this. Okay, now you understood how it is happening. After that, if you want more to make it proper, then you can do one thing, you can enter it. And after that you can put this one like this format, enter. Okay. This is how you need to create your letters. You can create automatically with the contact. If you want to not to give to Ram, you want to give to Shahad, this one Avik Shah, so you can change with this preview result also. You can do it, like Sudesh Nashar, you can have Avik Shah, whatever the whom you want to give, that also you can do it. After that, what you need to do, just enter, go a space. This is how all the things is happening. Okay, this is how your later came, and you can use the mail merge properly. After that, you want to see your finish and merge. You can have your print document also, or else go to the next preview letters that I have done only. After that, complete. Okay. After completing, if you want, you can save also. Go to the save as option. Go to computer. Desktop, you can save. In the desktop, you can save like with basic Avik. After that, Avik you can save. After that, you will get to see. There are many Aviks is there, so you can write Avik 1989. After that, you can save in the desktop. After saving in a desktop, you can find out here it is saved. Yeah, with 1989. After that, one thing I just want to show you more, that is print preview. When you go to the print preview, you can see this one. This is a letter that you made and that is created. And after that, if you want, you can print out, or if you want this to make it PDF and you want to mail it to your friends or whatever you want, so you can do it. This option is given for that only. Uh, this is print to PDF. After that, if you change it to PDF, you can see here with AVIC Javik 1989, and that will be in your PDF format. It will be saved in a PDF format. Put something one extra so that it will, the name will not interconnect. Okay, after that it will save with the PDF. Now you can see here it is PDF is saved. Now if you want to send to anyone this PDF, you can send it. How you can send? Directly go to the Gmail account, and after that compose it is given. Where is given? Just a minute, it will come. Now compose it is there. After that, what you need to do, you need to attach and home. So you want to send, you can send it. Think like Nisha ma'am, I just want to send, or any others if you want. Later you can write as a subject. After that, like demo. This I am just showing you for this purpose I have written demo. After that, you can take one of the photos that Abhi 1989 it is there. This one PDF from this one. Now you open and it will be keep it here only. Whether it is sent or not, you can see here also. So now I will send here, and after that message is sent. This dialog box. After that, go to the send button. You can see that it is sent. And if you want to see that whether your letter is sent or not, you want to preview, you can see. Yes, it is sent. Now, this is how the you it how mail merge works. Okay, okay. So that is sent to the Nishaman, and this is how mail merge works. I hope, I think you people have understood also. You can create envelope also. Even you can create envelope also with the help of this one. This is another way you can create an envelope. If you have to print the envelope first, front page like this also you can do. Like options are given, many things are given. After that, you can print with this one also, having like this format. That also you can do. For the postage, e-postage properties is there. Okay, after that, add document, you can do it, anything. Okay, this is all about your mail merge. Hope you have understood. This is how you can get a recipient. If you want that other recipient select also, you can do. Type a new or use the existing list. You have many contact, like if you want contact 3, I have few names in contact 3 that you can change and you can see. Okay, this is how you can create letter wise label. You can create envelopes. Okay, so thank you all of you.